Hello, beautiful people. How are we all today? I was just down at the park with my granddaughter and watching all these children play. And they didn't care who was watching. They just ran and they screamed and they played and they laughter and delight. When did we stop doing that? When did we stop having fun? When did we stop realizing that life is supposed to be fun? We're supposed to have fun. So, I know this is my inner child giving me some clues. Play like a child. Try, if you choose, again, everything is all choice. If you choose, if you can remember, think back to when you were a child and what helped bring pleasure to you, what helped bring joy into your life, what helped spark you when you didn't care if anybody was around when you were doing it. Play. Us adults are trained to forget about that. Most of us, anyway. We're scared that someone's going to look at us. Who cares? It is not our responsibility on what someone thinks about us. That's on them. That's their projections. And try it. Just try it. Try and play. Something that you loved when you were a child. It could be a coloring book if you've never colored in 40 years, whatever. Anything, really. Try it. You deserve it. Bring the joy back into your life, which helps bring love back into your life, which helps bring your abundance in simple things, in the moment, the here and now, just like a child. They're so precious and very wise. People don't give them enough credit. Anyway, try it if you wish. It's okay if you don't. It's perfect if you do. It's all approved anyway. And I want to thank you for listening with me today. And I want to thank you just for helping me on my journey. Oh, Miss Honeys. Wow.